highlights from genetic session is I'm working mainly in Parkinson disease. So it was my first Alzheimer's disease meeting because my study also involved Alzheimer. But I think Alzheimer's disease is a bit, it's a few years ahead of Parkinson disease. To start with, sample size of studies, it's just fascinating how many people donated their blood to do genetics, which is amazing. And I wish in Parkinson's disease we'll soon reach this amount of people in our studies. Yeah, but just in general, there were amazing talks in my session regarding new genes discovered for early onset Alzheimer's disease, and the role again of lysosomal pathway in Alzheimer's disease. And I think it was Victoria's talk who showed that there is a high prevalence of lysosomal genes that potentially have a role, rare lysosomal gene, rare variants in lysosomal genes that potentially have a role in Alzheimer's disease. And that's exactly what I'm working in Parkinson's disease. So I'm trying to find the role of lysosomal genes now in Parkinson's disease. So it's fascinating how the field's involving in parallel regarding even the pathways and probably new targets. Yeah, during the talk, there was during the Congress, there was a lot of talks about new clinical trials and new approaches, which is also quite interesting for me, even though my primary field now is genetics. So I found that there wasn't enough critic of aducanumab. People was too positive about it and too positive about many other things that I think it's still we're still in quite early stage to be that positive. But yeah, we have some fascinating new discoveries and fascinating new targets and approvals. So Alzheimer's field is now even in more light compared to Parkinson's disease field and in more money.